Hey there, and welcome to Bug Eye Travel. Today I'm going to talk about the top 10 things to do in Baja California. Want to explore the oldest mission in the area? Stick around to find out how. Baja California is a treasure trove of beauty, adventure, and culture that every traveler must experience at least once in their lifetime. This Mexican state has everything: stunning beaches, rugged mountains, colorful cities, and quaint villages. If you're planning a trip to Baja California but aren't sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll take you through an exciting journey of the top 10 things to see and do in Baja California, so grab your tanning oil and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Number 10. Explore El Vizcaíno Biosphere Reserve. The El Vizcaíno Biosphere Reserve is one of the most beautiful places in Baja California. It's home to a variety of plant and animal life, as well as some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. The reserve is a great place to explore if you're interested in nature or want to enjoy the beauty of Baja California. There are many different activities that you can do while exploring El Vizcaíno. One popular activity is hiking. Many trails throughout the reserve offer stunning views of the landscape and wildlife. Another popular activity is bird watching. The reserve is home to various bird species, making it an excellent place for enthusiasts. If you're looking for adventure, you can try kayaking or canoeing through the mangrove forests in the reserve. It's a great way to see some unique wildlife up close. No matter your interest, there is something for everyone at El Vizcaíno Biosphere Reserve, so come explore and experience all that this amazing place has to offer. Number 9. Visit La Paz. La Paz is the capital city of Baja California and one of Mexico's most popular tourist destinations. It's known for its beautiful beaches, Spanish colonial architecture, and rich culture. There are plenty of things to see and do in La Paz, so it's no wonder it's one of the most popular places to visit in Baja California. La Paz is home to some of the best beaches in all of Mexico. Playa El Tecolote is a great place to relax on the sand or swim in the ocean. For a more active beach experience, check out Playa Costa Azul, where you can go surfing, kayaking, or stand-up paddleboarding. There's plenty to see and do in La Paz itself. Stroll around Plaza de la Constitución, the city's main square, and take in the sights. If you'd like to visit museums, check out Museo de Antropología e Historia de Baja California Sur or Museo Naval de Baja California Sur. Or take a walk through one of La Paz's many parks, such as Parque Centenario or Parque Naciones Unidas. One of the best ways to see La Paz is from the water. There are snorkeling and fishing trips, as well as whale watching tours. La Paz is home to some of the best bars and clubs in Mexico, so be sure to check out some of the city's nightlife spots. The Callejón de los Milagros, Alley of Miracles, is a popular area for bars and restaurants, while Club del Sol is one of the most famous discos in La Paz. Are you enjoying the video so far? Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Number 8. Go whale watching in Magdalena Bay. Magdalena Bay is one of the best places in the world to go whale watching. Thousands of tourists visit the majestic creatures that call these waters home every year. The best time for whale watching in Magdalena Bay is between December and April. The water is at its calmest and the weather is warmest. During this time, you can expect to see various whale species, including blue whales, humpback whales, and orcas. If you're interested in going whale watching in Magdalena Bay, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, it's important to dress for the occasion. The sun can be quite intense in this part of Mexico, so be sure to wear sunscreen and a hat. Second, be sure to bring binoculars to get a better look at the whales. And finally, remember to respect their space. Don't get too close. Number 7. Relax on Los Cabos beaches. Los Cabos beaches are some of the most beautiful and secluded in Mexico. These beaches are the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Whether lounging in your hotel or exploring the local hotspots, Los Cabos beaches will provide a beautiful backdrop with the Pacific and Sea of Cortez on either side. Their white sand and clear blue waters offer a perfect place to relax and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The sand is powder soft and varies between white and golden. In some areas, you will even find black sand. One of the unique things about the local beaches is that many of them are almost entirely deserted. The privileged few that manage to access them will find them to be a picturesque paradise. Of course, a dip in the warm, crystal clear waters is essential to make the most of the experience. Beyond swimming and relaxing on the beach, you can enjoy other activities such as snorkeling and boat trips. Whether you prefer seclusion or a livelier atmosphere, Los Cabos has something for everyone. Number 6. Explore Todos Santos and its art scene. Todos Santos is a small town on the Pacific coast of Baja California Sur, Mexico. It's known for its art scene with many galleries and studios to explore. There are also several murals and public art installations throughout the town. In addition to the art scene, Todos Santos is home to some beautiful beaches. Playa El Pescadero is a popular surf spot, while Playa Los Cerritos is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and paddleboarding. For a more secluded beach experience, head to Playa Las Palmas. Number 5. Drive the Trans-Peninsular Highway 1. The Trans-Peninsular Highway 1 is one of the most beautiful drives in the world. It winds through the stunning landscapes of Baja California from the Pacific Ocean to the Sea of Cortez. Along the way, you'll pass through deserts, mountains, and forests and see some of the most incredible views in Mexico. There are plenty of things to see and do along the way. You can stop at small towns and villages to explore their culture and history, or take a detour to visit one of the many national parks or beaches. There are also plenty of opportunities for adventure, whether you want to go hiking, mountain biking, or even rock climbing. No matter your interest, you will find something to love on this incredible drive. So get ready for an unforgettable journey. Number 4. Shop for handicrafts in Mulegé. Mulegé is a small town located in the Mexican state of Baja California. It's a popular tourist destination because of its beautiful scenery and many handicraft shops. The handicraft shops in Mulegé offer a wide variety of handcrafted items, ranging from traditional Mexican folk art to more modern pieces. In addition, several shops specialize in selling handmade jewelry and other accessories. If you're looking for a unique souvenir or gift, then be sure to visit the handicraft shops in Mulegé. Number 3. Ensenada's Hill of the Cross. Hike Ensenada's Hill of the Cross and Parque Nacional Constitución de 1857 for an unforgettable view of the city and surrounding area. The Hill of the Cross is located in the center of Ensenada and offers a great view of the harbor and city below. The Parque Nacional Constitución de 1857 is a large park surrounding the hill. It offers many hiking trails with beautiful views. Number 2. Deep sea fishing in San Felipe. San Felipe is one of the best places in Baja California for deep sea fishing. A variety of fish can be caught in the deep sea, including marlin, sailfish, tuna, and dorado. The best time to go deep sea fishing in San Felipe is between November and May. Charter boats will take you to the best spots. And my number 1 thing to do in Baja California is... Number 1. Visit Loreto's Mission San Javier for its history and art. Loreto's Mission San Javier was founded in 1699 and is the oldest mission in Baja California. It's known for its beautiful architecture and paintings. Visitors can explore the mission grounds, which include a church, cemetery, and museum with a collection of artifacts from the mission's history. The wonders of Baja California are awe-inspiring. Whether fishing in Baja's marine-rich waters or savoring a pristine sunset from its rocky dunes, everyone can find something to love here. Explore Baja's beauty and discover why it's such a unique and magical destination. Baja California has been on my must-visit list for a long time. Did I miss anything you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel videos of fantastic destinations worldwide. Be sure to check out my Central America and Mexico playlist for even more inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.